This video shows you how to make a seating chart. From the Start page, click on Seating Chart. Click Seating Chart Design, and this is where you are then going to build your seating chart. So you can either do things in rows, and then you just tell it the number of rows, and then say Add, or you could say, I know in my room I have tables, and so I know that I need to have tables that have 4 students on them, and I would like the tables to be in a 3 and 3 combination, and then say Add. While they're highlighted like this, if I click on them, I can move them anywhere. If you don't want to move them all as a group, click off, and you can either move things individually, like you can click this chair and move it somewhere, or using your mouse, you can click down, drag over, and then you could just move these chairs wherever you want them to go. So once you have made the room the way that you want it, you then are able to add any additional like text if you want to say this is where my whiteboard is, or it's something else over here. You can press save. So this seating chart design is one that is the same for my room for all of my classes. I would like that to be the same in every single one of my classes. So in order to copy a seating chart, go into the class that you want the seating chart to be copied into, and you click on the seating chart. If you'll notice at the top, there's a place where it says New Layout. And what you're going to do is say New Layout, name the class period, and that's where you'll get this button that says Start from a pre-existing layout. Say Start from a pre-existing layout, and you say Next, and then I can choose. So I named Drama Room as the one that I wanted it to be. So anyway, I have that, and I can then say, yes, I want that there. Notice that if a student appears on both layouts, keep them in the same seat. So if you had a kid in multiple classes, you might want to do that. Otherwise, uncheck that box and then say Finish. Now, once you have that, you are going to then say Edit, and you want to make this the default layout for that class. And then it will open up to this seating chart every time. Once you have the layout the way that you want it and it's saved, click back into Seating Chart Design. And this is where you have the ability to populate either based alphabetically, alternating very much the same way that it was in my student. You say that you want the last name, or start at the top left, however you want to do it. Or you can pull the kids over individually. So there, it's pretty simple. Move them over, they're able to move. And if you ever don't want a student there, you can say clear just that student, or you can come over here and do clear all if you decide that you're just going to scrap that seating chart altogether.